Hello, this is the project demo for our project Trading Daily. So, what we are trying to build and solve with Trading Daily is the problem whereby every morning financial traders and portfolio managers scrambling across websites, tracking economic calendars, sentiment indicators, and that manual process is time consuming and it makes it incredibly easy for these traders to miss critical market data. So, we are building a financial platform that automates the process and delivers this chart data and analysis directly into your inbox at specific timeline before the market is open. So these are our tech stack. We are using a lot of Microsoft Azure services. We are using the AI Foundry service for the market analysis, and we're using the table storage to store the subscribers data, the blob storage to hold the chart snapshots. We are deploying on the Azure, deploying the backend API on Azure Container Apps and the front end with React on static web apps. And we're using the Azure communication services to send out emails. This is our front end stack. We use React, TypeScript, and Vite. And our backend is also powered by Express.js, TypeScript, playwrights, and these are these are all our tech stack. So this is how the UI looks. You can subscribe for getting the emails. You can check your status. You can check your status and you can unsubscribe.
Hello, Microsoft. This is a live demo of the Market Snapshot email app. I'm going to sign up with my email. Now that I have received my confirmation email, I can confirm the subscription, and I am now signed up for all three.
Every trading day starts with a race for information, but the markets move faster than you can keep up. Introducing Trading Daily, your AI-powered morning market briefing. Overnight data analyzed, market movers identified,